I'm Michelle Cromer. This is your Creating a Meaningful Life tip of the week. Today I want to talk about health. It seems like everybody in my life has some kind of health issue. Health isn't just the absence of illness, it's balance. In Feng Shui, the very center of your home, the Tai Chi represents the health chi, the place where vitality, harmony, and wholeness begin. When it's cluttered or stagnant, all areas of your life, from relationships to prosperity, just feel out of sync. When your center is strong, everything else in life flows. And when it's cluttered or stagnant, our relationships, our work, even our energy can feel unsteady. This is why traveling to a sacred place of balance can be such a powerful teacher for all of us. For example, the Great Pyramid. I stood before this monument representing balance. It aligns with the cosmos. It's perfectly proportioned and rooted in the earth. Standing before it, you feel steady and timeless. So the practice here is standing tall. You can do this at home. Feet rooted, crown lifted. Imagine yourself as a pyramid, strong, balanced, and aligned. And then in Santa Fe, being in northern New Mexico, one of my favorite places on earth, there's this light and the cool mountain air and soaking in the mountain waters teaches us to let go. It allows stress to flow away, replaced by chi with every healthy breath. And in Iceland, the Blue Lagoon is floating mineral waters that feels like being held. You're actually floating like someone's holding you. A reminder that healing is both natural and available. And you don't need to travel across the world to cultivate health chi. At home, just keep the center of your space clear and something grounding in that space, like a stone or a ceramic bowl, and begin each morning with 3 deep belly breaths and say something if this lands with you. I am vibrant, I am balanced, I am whole. Health chi is about honoring the center within your home, within your body, within your spirit. The Great Pyramid, Santa Fe's mountains and hot springs, and Iceland's beauty all remind us that vitality comes from balance. When you clear your center, you invite life force energy to flow freely. And when your center is steady, everything else in your life has strength to grow. So ask yourself, what can I do today to nourish my center? Join me for a deeper dive on this subject on our podcast, Creating a Meaningful Life. And let's journey into balance together, wherever you get your podcast. Y'all ask me questions at Michelle@michellecromer.com. Thanks.